sunglasses.
Oh, these are actually kind of a joke sunglasses. So, if you see, you can fold them in half and then just keep them on your wrist.
Oh my god.
So, although you leave your dignity behind, you will always have your sunglasses with you.
Hey, buddy.
Brent has brought us here to find fiddleheads.
Come on, guys. We're at South Bivouac Trail, otherwise known as Campbell Creek Gorge. Yay!
Fiddleheads, aka the fern before it unravels.
All right, I'll put these in the bag. Oh, you're taking the
Devil's Club shoots.
Fiddleheads.
Fiddleheads are fresh and out of the wild, so you gotta make sure that they're nice and clean and as debris free as possible. We just finished cleaning up the fiddleheads. Now we are going to move on to the next step, roast them. We've got our oven set to 425 degrees. So now we need our olive oil. We're just kind of even it out. Shake these up. Get them nice and coated. Okay, and then we'll do a little bit of pepper. I like to add a little bit of cayenne pepper. Look at them. They're glistening. They're beautiful. Now we're gonna shove them in the oven for about 10 minutes, see where they're at. We're gonna start to get this butter going. I'm gonna add some of these blackberries in there. So now we've got the blackberries mashed down pretty good. We can also start to add our shallot. So now we're gonna go ahead and add our white wine. So this is essentially a reduction of sorts. And then you increase it to high heat and then you just stir, baby stir. Alright, gonna check on those fiddleheads. Ooh. Almost reminds you of asparagus, but not quite. We're gonna give them 2 more minutes.
Is that like oniony sweet?
Okay, what it needs though, a little bit more cayenne pepper. We're gonna add some thyme. So thyme is gonna really liven it up because right now it's sweet and it's savory, but it needs just something to lift it up. The spice is also gonna kind of give it a nice pow to it, so you're going to get.
Did you say pow again?
Yeah. So the cayenne pepper is gonna give it a nice pow to it.
Can you do it one more time?
Yeah. So the cayenne pepper is gonna give it a nice pow to it. Like that difference.
Oh, definitely.
That just the thyme and cayenne can bring to it. It's amazing. So now I think our fiddleheads are ready. Yeah, they look perfect. They smell so good. So we've got our sauce made. We've got our fiddleheads all roasted. And now we are going to saute our mahi-mahi fillets. While we're out, we also found some Devil's Club shoots. Devil's Club can be extremely toxic, but if you eat the shoots, they're delicious. We're gonna saute those up. So here we've got our mahi-mahi, and then here are blackberry and shallot and thyme sauce. Fiddleheads. And you cannot forget our Alaska Pure Sea Salt. You can get that over in Sitka, Alaska. This one is spruce tip flavor. So now we're just finishing it off with a few little bites of Devil's Club. Devil's Club shoots, that is.
All right, so it's done. What is it called?
I don't have a name for it.
Come on, name it.
Yeah, maybe you guys can help me name it.
Okay, leave a comment. What should this meal be named?
Yeah, help name the spring meal.
All right, now watch us eat it.
Really good. Oh man, so many flavors. Thanks for watching Food with Fetz.